Hi everybody, Marco Carvalho here from businesscreditblogger.com. Today's video we're going to talk about building business credit fast. We're going to talk about especially how to add up to eight accounts on your business credit report, but more importantly with up to 24 months of payment history in less than 30 days on your business credit report. So if you're looking to add additional accounts to your business credit report so you can generate a credit rating and you're looking for adding business credit history, this is the video for you. So let's get started. Now, what I'd like to do is first talk about why is it important for building business credit. This is the first time you're watching this video. You need to understand when it comes to owning a business and you have a separate legal entity like a corporation or a limited liability company, that's the first important ingredient, is you want to have that clear separation, because if you're a sole proprietor, then you are literally your own business, that you have 100% liability. If you want to have that separation, you have to create a separate legal entity. Like a corporation or LLC, the government looks at that as a separate being from yourself. So when you structure that business, you have the ability for that company to enter into agreements, contracts as a company without you being involved whatsoever. Now, what happens is when you structure your business, you get what's called an employer identification number. And what that is the IRS uses that when you're filing taxes for your business. It's also known as an employer identification number, EIN, or tax ID number. That EIN number is also what you're going to use on credit applications for the business. What happens is that data, that information you put on credit applications, they supply that to the business credit agencies. The business credit agencies then create your company credit file if there's not one created already, and that EIN now becomes an identifier for your company. Okay, so the other thing too is when you open a business bank account, your financial institution is going to require, most likely, when you open a business bank account, your articles of incorporation, your certificate of good standing. They're going to want your employer identification number. So those are just the key ingredients they're going to want for you even to open a business bank account. Now, that EIN is going to be your employer identification number, is going to be your ID number that's going to be created for your credit file. So this is why it's important for you to build business credit, because when you have a social security number, what do you use your social security number for? That's obviously, you use that on paying taxes. You use that on credit applications when you're applying for a personal credit card. They use that social security number to pull your credit report, right? So your EIN number is going to be the number that's used to pull your business credit report once you have a business credit report that's created. So you kind of want to look at your EIN number as the social security number for your business, because you may see some other information about build credit for under your EIN. What that basically means is you're building business credit for your company. All right, so let's talk about now, business credit is just as important as personal credit. Like I told you, it separates you from a business owner from your business. Now, if you don't build a business credit file, then what happens? Everything is tied to your personal credit. Your personal credit is going to be used for virtually everything. To create that separation, banks, lenders, suppliers, even investors, or even customers, if they want to know about your business, they want to check how creditworthy is your business. If you don't have a credit file, what do they have to gauge on? They have to pull your personal credit, because you're the owner. They want to see how creditworthy you are as an owner. Then maybe that's how you manage your business. When you have a business credit report, that's when now banks, lenders, suppliers can check your business credit report and assess how your company manages its credit and finances. Okay, and this also protects your personal credit. When you have a business credit file and you have accounts that are reporting to business only, this shields your personal credit from your business debt showing up on your personal credit reports. Many people that come to us and say, well, I have some business credit cards, so don't I have business credit established already? Unfortunately, many of the business credit cards in the marketplace are glorified personal credit cards, because they report to your personal credit. Yes, they're issued to your business. Yes, they have your business name on the card, but they don't help you create that business credit file. They don't separate you as an owner from your business, because it shows up on your personal credit. So when you make business purchases on your business credit card, it shows up on your personal credit. So to avoid that, you can get business credit cards that report only to the business credit reporting agencies, and that's one of the programs we offer in our business credit card funding program. That's where getting the separation starts for you if you're looking to get business credit. Increase your chances of getting approval, because now when you have a business credit report, this helps banks, lenders, and suppliers assess your credit worthiness with your business credit report. It's also important when you have accounts in your company's name. This protects you as far as liability. When you don't have to supply a personal guarantor, that completely separates you from your business, so there's limited liability when you have accounts in the name of your business. You also conserve cash flow when you get certain types of business credit, whether it's net 30, net 60-day, 90-day accounts. That means you can buy products and services on credit, and then you have a certain time frame, 30 or 60 days, to pay the invoice in full. So that allows you to conserve cash. You can buy products and services on credit using your business, your EIN, with no personal credit check and no personal guarantee for a lot of the net 30, net 60-day, 90-day accounts. You get better rates and terms and the size of your credit limits when you build business credit. Remember, when you have a credit-worthy profile, you have a business credit rating, you have established credit history on your business credit report, now this allows your business to have much more credit worthiness in the eyes of lenders and banks and suppliers. So they extend even more credit to you, give you more favorable terms because there's more data for them to review as opposed to just relying on your personal credit alone. And you have much more greater credit capacity as a business, more funding opportunities, and most importantly, this is an asset you're going to build for your business. When you have a credit-worthy file as a business, it's an asset. So for you as an individual, let's say you have strong personal credit. Let's say you have credit scores over 740. You know you can get the best rates. You know you can get pretty much any type of credit you're looking to get. It just gives you that confidence in knowing that you're going to get the lowest rates possible. As a business, when you have a strong credit file and you have good credit ratings as a business, that gives you that leverage to negotiate for the best rates, the best terms, etc. Now, what do you need to start building business credit before you start adding these accounts to your business credit report? If you don't have a credit file created for your business already, you're going to need, first of all, a separate legal entity for your business. You need to be incorporated as a corporation or a limited liability company, etc. And your company needs to be in good standing. So depending on what state you're incorporated in, you have to pay an annual report filing fee, and that keeps your business active. So if you go to your state's website, look up your corporations divisions and find your company. Do a search for your company, and you'll see it'll show your company name if you're already incorporated. It'll say if it's in good standing or not. It'll also provide who's the resident agent for the business, etc. So this is important. If you haven't paid your annual report filing fee, you have to pay that to keep it in good standing every single year. If you don't pay that and your company is inactive with the state, that's going to cause you to immediately decline with many lenders, banks, and suppliers, etc. You need an employer identification number. You need obviously your basic business contact information, your name, business mailing address, physical business address, business phone number, business email address, etc. And you need to have a business bank account established. These are kind of the key components. There's many other variables that are important in the credit building process, but this is kind of like the main factors that you have to have established before you start having your credit file created for you. So typically when you look at all the videos that we've done and you see across the internet, there's a basic standard how to build business credit 101 or building business credit fast 101. They tell you to get net 30 accounts, and this is a viable strategy, getting vendors, suppliers, and other businesses to extend short-term financing to your business. You pay your invoice on time. They report to the credit bureaus. Then you can scale up to getting maybe major retail accounts and other service providers provide you credit. And then, of course, getting some gas cards, business credit cards, even retail store cards for your business. These are just all different ways for you to start building credit for your business. And also building diversity in financing like installment loans, auto lease for the business, etc. So you have to have diversity when it comes to building a strong business credit report. You don't want to just have net 30 accounts and that's all you have. You want to scale your business credit file. Ideally, you want to have 15 to 20 accounts reporting to your business credit reports. That's the minimum to really have a thick enough credit file to be enough to be dangerous to get credit for the business, like business credit cards, etc. But there's something missing with the thing that's talked about in many of the videos out there about building business credit. It says just get trade accounts, that's all you need. The thing that's missing is credit history. So you can add 8 accounts, 10 accounts, 15, 20 accounts to your business credit reports. And let's say you accomplish that in 30 days or 60 days. What's missing is actual credit history, is payment history. You have to have a track record of showing that you pay your payments on time, that you pay your invoices on time, that you manage your debt responsibly. Now, the only thing that's going to solve that, of course, is time. Time goes by, but there is a shortcut. There's a way for you to add credit history. What do I mean by that? What if I told you there's a way for you to add up to 2 years of credit history to your business credit report? 2 years. And this is going to apply for those of you who have accounts, utility accounts, where you've already been managing them, or you've been running your business for a couple months or even a couple years. That's how you can inherit all that credit history that you've already established with your utility companies and add it to your business credit report. Okay, so this is service providers that you've already do business with as a company. You just don't have this data showing up on your business credit report. Now, a similar product came out from Experian. It's called Experian Boost. And that's for personal utility accounts to be added to your personal account. That's another way for you to build your personal credit, is adding all your personal utilities like your cable, your power, etc. But now, guess what? You can add your business utility accounts to your business credit reports. You can now add up to 8 accounts and up to 24 months of business credit history that you had with those utility accounts to your business credit reports. And the 3 credit bureaus, business credit bureaus that you can add this up to is Experian Commercial, Credit Safe, and Ansonia. So everything from your business phone number to your business internet service, utility payments, can now show up on your business credit report. And you can also have all your past history that you've had for your business with those utility companies added up to 24 months worth of history, to be precise. So how does this actually work? Well, you basically go online and you're gonna link your business phone, your internet, and utility accounts, up to 8 of them, on your businesscreditbuilderservices.com account. They will do the rest. They report the data, everything. So you want to go to businesscreditbuilderservices.com. And this is our provider that will link your accounts for you. You basically report the data, and they'll securely download up to 24 months of payment history directly from your service provider's website. But here's the key. Your utility accounts have to be online accounts. You have to be able to have an online login with your utility accounts, which mainly today, all of them provide you an online login. You can log in to Comcast online, pay your Comcast business bill, your Verizon does, all of them do. So that shouldn't be an issue for you. They also automatically report your ongoing monthly payments. So what if you don't have 24 months of history? Let's say you just establish your business today, you set up your business phone number, you set up your business internet service, and you just did all that, let's say today or yesterday. Well, guess what? You can start having that payments reported to your business credit reports right away. And the beauty of that is that's every month you pay your business cell phone. Every month you pay your business internet bill. These are regular operating expenses that you pay already. Now it's going to show up on your business credit report. So you're actually building history as you're paying your regular operating expenses. Okay? So another thing, what if you can't get 24 months history? Let's say your provider doesn't go back 2 years on your payment history. Let's say it only goes back 1 year, but you've been with that provider for 2 years. Well, you can add that additional 12 months, up to 24 months, with businesscreditbuilderservices.com. They charge you $19.95 to do that, to manually do a review, to add that history. Okay, so that's another huge benefit for you. Now, so what's eligible? You can link to add these up to 8 accounts to your business credit file so you can start building business credit fast. They accept power, your gas, your water, and these all have to be in your business's name. It can't be in your personal name. Your mobile phone, cable TV, satellite TV, internet service, landline accounts. These are all the types of utility accounts you can add. You can't add your office lease or anything like that. Okay, this is the basic eligible business accounts. And here is just a list of some of the utility companies that they accept that you can link and have them reported to your business credit reports. Some of these are very popular. You'll see T-Mobile's on here, Comcast, AT&T. You have Verizon on here, Dish Network, DirecTV. These are all PG&E. These are all very popular utility companies and service providers that if you're doing business with them and you have an account with them for your company, you can add all that payment history to your business credit report. So this is just such a powerful way for you to be one of the strategies that you can build your business credit reports where you don't have to actually just go out and buy products to build up your credit. The name of the game when it comes to building business credit is getting credit from companies, vendors, suppliers that you can purchase their products and services to grow your business, to scale your business while at the same time building your business credit. And this is just one of the strategies we cover in our business credit building system. Okay, so our system will show you how to add up to 20 or more references on your business credit report. This is just up to 8 references right here. This is just one of the strategies. So if you want to know about our business credit building system, check out this website below, businesscreditbuilders.org. And that's where we share with you our funding programs and our step-by-step business credit building system. So when you go to businesscreditbuilderservices.com to add to your utility accounts here, your information is safe because the only information you're providing is just your login information to the account. You can't pay bills or anything like that on this. It's encrypted. It's high level security, so you don't have to worry about your accounts being compromised or anything like that. Only you can control your utility account information on this site. You can't pay bills when you're logging in to link your accounts for business credit reporting. You can't change anything on your utility accounts. This is only read-only access with this provider. All they're doing is reading the data on your payment history. That's it. Okay, so you can't make any changes to your utility accounts from this platform here. Now, how do you get started? You just go to businesscreditbuilderservices.com. This is the site you go to if you want to add your utility accounts up to 24 months of payment history to your business credit reports. This is a separate service that will do the job for you, businesscreditbuilderservices.com. And if you want to add more references and get more strategies like this, add up to 20 references or more to your business credit file, be sure to check out our step-by-step business credit building system, because in our system we provide you in a complete database of access to other businesses, vendors, suppliers, retailers, service providers, card issuers, and lenders that will extend credit to your business, some with a personal credit check, some without a personal credit check, some with no PG, some with the PG. But ultimately, this is the goal for you, is to scale and build your business credit so your credit for your company can start dominating and getting you approved for the type of credit your company deserves. Check out businesscreditbuilders.org. If you found this information to be very helpful for you, just give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. Click the subscribe button on this YouTube video, because that way you're going to be updated every time we release a new video on a business credit building strategy, new tools, funding programs. So whether you're a startup, existing business, or real estate investor, we appreciate you for watching this video. With that, make it a great day. We'll talk to you real soon.